In this video, we are going to talk about the pathology of thrombosis. Thrombosis is the formation of a thrombus. Thrombus is a mass which is formed from components of blood within the vascular system. The reasons for a thrombus formation are described by the Virchow's triad. It includes endothelial injury, abnormal blood flow, and hypercoagulability of blood. Out of them, endothelial injury is the most important factor. Also, thrombosis is a common cause of cardiovascular diseases. Endothelial injury leads to platelet activation. Platelet activation and adherence are essential factors for thrombus formation under high shear stress, such as exists in arteries. Therefore, cardiac and arterial thrombi are rich in platelets. That's why we give aspirin-like antiplatelets for the treatment in coronary artery disease and myocardial infarction. Furthermore, endothelial injury exposes von Willebrand factor and tissue factor. Also, inflammation and other noxious stimuli shift the pattern of gene expression of endothelium to a prothrombotic state. This is referred to as endothelial activation or endothelial dysfunction. Endothelial injury is produced by physical injury, infectious agents, abnormal blood flow, inflammatory mediators, metabolic abnormalities such as hypercholesterolemia or homocystinemia, and toxins absorbed from cigarette smoke. Endothelial activation plays an important role in arterial thrombus formation. The next factor of the Virchow's triad is abnormal blood flow. An abnormal blood flow means a turbulent flow or a stasis. Turbulence leads to endothelial injury, as well as it forms countercurrents and local pockets of stasis. Ultimately, turbulence contributes to arterial and cardiac thrombosis. Stasis is a major factor in the formation of venous thrombus. Stasis allows platelets and leukocytes to come into contact with the endothelium. Also, stasis slows down the washout of activated clotting factors and prevents the inflow of clotting factor inhibitors. The next factor of Virchow's triad which causes thrombosis is hypercoagulability. Hypercoagulability means abnormally high tendency of blood to clot. This is usually due to changes in coagulation factors. Hypercoagulability is an important risk factor for formation of venous thrombi. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much and make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.